Holy Rare Plants Batman. It is ultra rare plant unboxing edition here on Enchanted Plant Queen. Let's dive right in. This arrived today. It's Friday night, so we're gonna do a little bit of rare plant unboxing. It's 7-ish, so it's obviously cocktail hours. We're gonna have a little tequila with pineapple and a little fizzy water. So cheers to this unboxing. There's an insane backstory here. Things have come full circle, and this particular plant has served as a major source of inspiration as far as caring for and collecting rare aroids. So here we go. Cheers to you. Cheers to these rare girls here. Let's get into it. So this is from Tyler at Rousseau Plant Care. This company is based in Atlanta, and on social media I started seeing Tyler and his humongous plant, the biggest leaf energy you can possibly find, and I was like, how is this man doing this? Not only that, but he grows them primarily in ambient air, which I was like, I want all the joy of having my plants around. I'll stop brandishing this now. I want all the joy of having these plants around in my living space. And, you know, maybe sometimes you have to go in a tent or in a growing cabinet, but this is kind of my MO. So this man figured out how to do it. And I saw this post of him with this plant, and I was like, holy shit, what is this? I need this plant. And I had this opportunity to get one of these, so let's open it. Golden shears, little slice action. What's in the box? This is real exciting, y'all. Doesn't smell super planty, but you know what? It's one little plant, and that's okay. So we have this from the legendary legend, Tyler. It's an Anthurium Wendlingeri. A real one. Now, this may not look like much, but this plant is literally the direct offspring of the insane plant that I have been following on Instagram and marveling at for a very long time. So this is a thrill. The instructions said to either repot right away or wait like 3 months. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. The impatient Aaron wants to just repot right away, but sensible Aaron thinks maybe I should just let it ride, which is cute. So Wendlingeris can get, like your typical strap anthuriums, can get insanely long. There is this palidiflorum behind me. That's a new leaf. This has a lot more texture and like almost like a riffled texture, but very sturdy looking leaves. Because I know that this has been grown with all the same plant nutrients that I use, which is the namesake Rousseau Plant Care nutrient line, the aroid food, healthy root, and the healthy leaf, I'm gonna stick with that. So I've been having really good luck with that right now, and then I still am using the grow light 12 hours a day. Oh, this is precious. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Do I have the patience for you? I'm gonna have to, because when the hell am I gonna get my hands on this? You can see there's a lot of texture on this still. So these little seedlings, they need a little bit more humidity. So I'm gonna make sure it has a really great spot underneath the grow light, but it's also tucked in between the other plants too. And they're all gonna just enjoy each other's humidity and create their own little microclimate. When I bought this, by the way, like not cheap, I'll just say that. This is a super rare collector's plant. You're definitely not messing around when you're moved on to this guy. In fact, your strap anthurium in general. I'm excited to see where we're at a year from now even with this. I really want to uppot this right away. So soil-wise, I can see the cocoa chip on here, which I know is part of his soil mix. Also, here is a pumice, also part of the soil mix, of course, and probably some charcoal in there, maybe. But the standard chunky aroid mix that these guys thrive in. Okay, so we'll see how this one does when I put it up in the mix with the others in Precious Plant Corner. So thanks for following along for this unboxing. This is very cute and I'm dying to see. This is like a sturdy feeling leaf. Has like almost like a waxy texture to it. And then these are gonna have like the palidiflorum is not going to get this kind of like wavy pattern. Not so much like this one. This is going to have a great texture. Actually, when I first started getting into plants and I saw Kyler's version of this, I thought I was looking at a palidiflorum. And so I ordered that and started getting great results with it. But now I know this is the real deal. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me on this Friday night with this little tequila pick-me-up. And we'll see how this girl does, and I will follow up. So until that next time, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you're curious about plant unboxings and plant care tips, please subscribe so you don't have any plant FOMO. But until then, wishing you the biggest leaf energy. See you next time. Cheers. Hey guys, well guess what? It's the future, and I did end up repotting this right away into this little 4-inch pot. And guess what? I have a new little growth right here. So we are doing great. Okay, that's the update.